Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. I just wanted to pop on really quick today and invite you to a craft along that's happening over at Craft World on December 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. That's New York time if you want to set a reminder. I'll have a link down in the video description to my page over on Craft World so you can follow it and you'll know to go there when it's time for the craft along. We are going to be making a bunch of projects in this hour-and-a-half long workshop, and there's a kit available if you want to craft along with the same supplies I'm using. And I will link that up too. It's you can purchase it at CraftStash UK or CraftStash US. And if you don't get it in time for the craft along, you can just hang out and have a good time, and then you can watch a replay later on and craft with your kit if it arrives a little bit late, because it is kind of a tight schedule we have here. So one thing that we're going to do in the craft along is we are going to make a variety of gift bags and gift boxes using the heavyweight 12 by 12 cardstock weight pattern paper. We're going to do a wine box, and I really like this because I think bottles of wine are a really nice consumable gift for somebody. I know a lot of people don't like to have clutter or knickknacks, or maybe you don't know exactly what to get somebody, but a nice bottle of wine goes really well, and you can make this out of a standard 12 by 12 piece of cardstock and just some ribbon and a little tissue paper. And I got a bottle of wine in here. It's this kind of the standard bottle of wine, not the jumbo ones, kind of the tall, skinny, regular size bottle that has like 4 servings in it. I'm also going to show you how you can make a box that tucks closed with a little tab without any real special materials, and how to make just a very basic small gift bag that you could put a small present in. You could put a homemade gift, you could put like homemade soaps or homemade dishcloths, or you could tuck a gift card in there or something like that. It's a good size bag to make just out of some regular cardstock, and we'll go through some decorating techniques as well. I'm also going to show you how to make some projects with these beautiful poinsettia dies. Here you go, them on there. These are actually birthday cards. I thought these were really pretty for winter birthdays. And you might not, want to put the time in to do a bunch of layering and die cutting and inking for Christmas cards that you're going to make in bulk, but doing something like that for a special Christmas card or for a birthday card where you may have a little more time to spend, I think is a great idea. And also, I know not everybody celebrates Christmas, so doing some projects that are a little bit more inclusive would make this this craft along more useful for everyone. And the other thing we're going to do is we are going to use those dies to make a wreath photo frame. Now I just put the Cheshire Cat in there because we're using this really cute pattern paper pack that's Alice in Wonderland themed. So I thought it'd be fun just to put the Cheshire Cat in there, but you can obviously put a photo in there of your kids, grandchildren, family, pets, and to make a really pretty gift that way. So we've got a lot of fun things we're going to do at that craft along. Make sure you join me for some fun. I think everybody needs a good, happy, crafty, stress-relieving time in the middle of the holiday hustle and bustle. So I hope to see you there. Make sure you check out the video description for all the relevant links and details. And till next time, happy crafting!